Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a little haul, and this isn't like a huge haul or anything, but it's just a little haul. And I wanted to show you guys I did get some goodies in, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know to continue making content like this. So the first thing are these Gucci bunnies and bears, and I saw that they were trending and I really liked them, so I went ahead, of course, and I looked them up on Aliexpress. And I was able to find them, so I was really happy about that. I'm just gonna show you up close what they look like. So these are the bunnies. I hope you guys could see a little bit okay. I know my lighting always is the worst, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video and enjoy it. I thought these were super cute. I had to get these. So we also have some bunnies like in this color, this nude. And then we also get them in their form as well. So let me just take them out. Show you guys. So cute. I love these. And I will have everything linked down below if I'm able to find it, or if it's still available. And then we got them in this color as well. So I absolutely love these. So yeah, definitely wanted to have these in my collection. But they were so cute. Yeah, so that is what those are looking like. I'll put this in. And then next we have some more charms. Okay, so we have these, and these are 50 piece, and they are sunflowers. So I definitely want to see what they look like. Okay, oh, they're very pretty. Let's try to flip these over. This is super hard to try to flip these over. Let me just grab, even with these sometimes it's hard. Okay, well, I'm gonna show you some that I was able to flip over. So these are really cute. I like these. I want to put them on the nail if you guys could kind of get like an idea of what they would look like. Okay, well, this is what they would look like on a nail. And I like the quantity. I like that it brings 50. So yeah, so we have those. Then we have these that are 20 pieces. And I've been in the lookout for M&Ms. I'm actually looking for tiny ones. Like smaller ones than these. They're a bit big, but they're so cute. They're still really cute for a set. I just want tinier ones as well. To have just variation in size depending on what I'm going for. But yeah, there's just a variety of different M&Ms. Okay, well, you can kind of see them here. I think they're the same ones in the bag as well. So these are really cute also. And then we have these, which I was super excited about. I did get the 50 piece. I believe they have different pieces. It's hard to believe there's 100 of these in here. I might count them because I don't think there's 100, but these are so cute, these little bears. I just had to get these. I really liked how they looked aesthetically. I thought they were really cute. I like the variation of color. I thought they looked adorable. Like, honestly, I thought they were so cute. So, had to get them. Okay, of course, that would happen. But let me just put these in particular on my nail, since my nail is blue. This is how they would look like on a nail. Great size. But yeah, this is what they look like. I think they're so pretty. So adorable. I love these. So cute. And you get a ton. And you also get them in like a variety of different colors. Like, you know, they have gray and other colors as well. So this is supposed to be 100 pieces back, so I cut it here, but I don't think these are 100 pieces. Let me count. This is not 100 pieces. 1, 2, 3. This is 48 pieces. Okay, I knew I wasn't crazy. So this is 48 pieces here. And these are some really cute crowns that I saw and I thought I could incorporate in my collection. So I'm just going to show you the variety of color that it incorporates. These are some of the colors, and these are little crowns that are really pretty. So obviously it would look better if you use this on a longer nail, but just as an example, this is the size. I love the color combinations on these. And then from that seller, I also went ahead and brought these bunnies. There's some more colors that it incorporates. They're so pretty. I love how they look aesthetically. I think that was my favorite part about this seller, that their charms are very aesthetically like plain, but the colors, they just bring them so much life, if that makes sense. So this is what they would look like on a nail. So pretty. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Let me know what are your favorite items or item in the video so far. And then we also have some more stuff from Aliexpress. Okay. So we have this mold, and this is the store. And if you have any issues or whatever, you could just scan this code. And I did get a mold. I absolutely love silicone molds, and I cannot wait to do more different charms and stuff. So I went ahead and got this mold right here. Okay, if you guys could see a little bit better. So there's strawberries and flowers on here. I thought it was super cute. I had to get this. Thought it was super adorable. And I love creating charms. I have a lot of videos creating charms if you guys are interested and you want to start creating your own charms. I like to have a variety of homemade charms that I make myself as well. I have a lot of fun creating them. And I definitely recommend and encourage anyone to try them out if you haven't already done so. And I love how the mold is in a heart print. I thought that was super cute. And then we have some stickers from Amazon. So here we have some stickers from there. So we have these abstract ones. We have like these really cute pink and white flames that you can put on the nails. I also have this other abstract one. We have this really cool one. I love ones like, I love stickers that look like this. So we have this one. And I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but I absolutely love buying stickers through Amazon just because they come in packs. And I love that because you definitely get your money's worth. Here we have like these flames. We have these really cute flames as well. I don't know why these type of flames right here remind me of like a really cute look that you could do like with Bratz dolls or something. Super cute. I love that. And then we have this one. Then we have more of these. Fix this a little bit better. I have these that are like dots. These are different. I don't have some like anything like this. So I really like this. It's very pretty. And then we have this really cute tropical one. We have some more abstract ones. This was mainly like an abstract themed pack. And then we have these, which are really pretty. And this actually says, "Send you the most beautiful flowers." That's what it says in little lettering. I don't know if you guys could see it, but yeah. These are really cute as well. I absolutely love nail art stickers. I think they're so pretty and you could just never collect enough of them. So that's something that I really love and just really enjoy overall. Let me know what are your favorite nail art items to collect or just, you know, to use. Mine's definitely have to be charms and nail stickers, which I don't really use them in nail sets. Because I do it more for like collecting, if that makes any sense. So lastly, I do have some things that I had to restock on in regards to my Etsy shop. So I might as well show you guys. It did come in today as well. So I do have some containers here. So I just ended up getting 2. And I did purchase different colored containers as well. Just trying to like test different things out. So these are 20-gram jars. So usually I use these type of jars. These are 20 grams as well. And I also like to use these type of jars, which are 20 grams as well. These are the type of jars I use for my Etsy shop. And I like to switch them up, you know, test different ones, use different colors and stuff. So this is definitely one of the ones. I don't know where my other scissors are, but I'm just gonna use this one for now to just show you what they look like, because I don't even really know what they look like. I haven't opened them, so. And I did purchase these through Amazon. Okay, these are upside down. These are 20 grams as well. The only difference is that these are wider and these are taller in height. So, but they're both equivalent to 20 grams. They're just different. So this is what these look like. I don't really know how I feel about them. I feel like they're cute, but at the same time, I don't know how I feel about the lid, honestly, but like how it's plastic and not like the shiny texture. But I like to switch it up and just try like new stuff. So they're not bad at all though. Very pretty. I don't know. I think I kind of prefer maybe this style. I think I probably prefer this style. Looks just more elegant, more fancy than this one, but yeah. Okay, so it incorporates it in that like teal mint color. It also brings it in this. Everything is just falling today. So we have it in this purple as well, like this pastel purple. I chose the variety one, meaning like the variety of different colors, and it also comes with the pink and the white. It also comes with the pink. So yeah. And then it also incorporates a white. I also went ahead and ordered these, but with a purple top. So I'm gonna see how that looks. It's probably coming sometime later on this week, but yeah. Here's the one with the white lid as well. So yeah, this is for my business. Like, I'm just trying to test different stuff out and stuff. And like I mentioned, I didn't expect to get so many orders from the mega box, which I really appreciate. So yeah, I was also trying to see what would come the fastest to start shipping them out within this week. I didn't want them to go over this week as well. So yeah, I just got 2 of these. So I don't even know where I could possibly put this at this point. Just put this over here. Show you guys. But yeah, that is that. And then I also went ahead and restocked. I also went ahead and restocked on 20-piece transparent like cuticle containers. I think I'm gonna switch it. Honestly, I think I'm gonna use like the little tiny ones. I saw these other ones that aesthetically they were just prettier. I think I might use that one from now on instead of these. I don't know yet, but I just wanted to stock up on these. I still have a few, but yeah, to just do my cuticle oils and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what was your favorite item or items in today's video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. I appreciate you all. I love you, and I'll see you in the next upload.